Peace and light, kings and queens. I hope you guys are enjoying the beginning of this beautiful weekend. I wanted to come on here and introduce or explain what you're about to watch. It's about 6 to 7 minutes long. It's a project that I've been working on for quite some time now. And now that I got settled here in my place in Florida and I had the space, I finally got it done. So I had this vision of creating my own nightstands for my bedroom, and you're about to watch it now. I did this on a whim. I tried to figure it out on my own, and it was a lot of fun. I learned a lot of things, and yeah, I hope you enjoy it. Watch it, drop a comment, share it always. Love y'all, and peace.
Too much money in the world for me to not help myself. Too much love in the world for me to not help myself. Life is a buffet and I came to eat. I'ma help myself. So much work to be done, I'ma roll up my sleeve. And I'ma help myself. What you know about me? What you know about? I don't know about you. What you know about me? I don't know about you, but I know about me. If you want it, gotta grab it. Round here, there ain't no Aladdin, so you can make a wish, but it don't mean shit. This ain't magic. No, it ain't magic. Too much money in the world for me to not help myself. Help myself. I'ma help myself. Too much love in the world. Oh, he cute. For me to not help myself. I'ma help myself. Life is a buffet and I came to eat. So much work to be done, I'ma roll up my sleeves. What you know about? What you know about me? What you know about? I don't know about you. What you know about me? I don't know about you, but I know about me. If you want it, gotta grab it. Round here, there ain't no Aladdin, so you can make a wish, but it don't mean shit. This ain't magic. No, it ain't magic. Have you ever heard of the law of attraction? There are no limits. There are no boundaries. There's no serving size to success. You can have anything you've ever wanted. And the only rule is, well, you gotta help yourself. Help yourself.